ite mu neke ko ñu performance oke
nte fo study bade study tale wa ala yalo study tale ba ke hani jang MDI
ha
ngalong cafeteria mall jema fa yen sutele kantung nka travel le from tujeren to jang pour ngana study
wow
foka pare mba mane fama fana yemma koy ba ke fon ha
wow
so studying aning natichal fana mbetentula naticha so fongeten kantung they played a huge role, a very big role in my development and in my academic journey. So mbe wol fanan tentu lambe jeyla. Kantung ibe dawo da ibe mol makoy kanne pour bi enahno pour na fenko na karango se
achievement o finti
pour ay finti no
wolam tical fana la rolo fana ko mayata je wala na nyim programme o instant educational development sometimes ka tical fana naati pour mol yela ko maya fana ila grade 9 ye street is la soto je fana asiyata jang dini wol mi yalan ko ka grade 9 sit yani kata grade 12 akatara sungut ya don tela so abe ko maya la yela experience ya yani la jiber laal mi yalan ko ye sunguru ni soto so kono o sunguru ni fangol mi be jibe kan pour ye inspiration o ta iteya ka fu ko musunguru ni tin sa sungut ya keno anyhow it does not yield good sometimes sai wo ibe mune soto la ka fo je ka to ite ila grade 9 yep performance min soto ya try le you maintain ila grade 12 fana wo is very rare to see
comme sunkutun dingol mi bes wo kono lafta kamin fare wala olon ko pour nga dolbet daminte be age minto karongo wala kumayata ka fengol post Instagram or TikTok ka video jibe obe you will always have the time to do that right now ye karang ye ha isela kantung Gambia la nyato ta karang wala leba kela no amande ke fango post ka dong internet to o sunkuti ya there is always a time for that ni wo sita isa keno saying na karang dal nte min bili bolon ko na karang lebe Gambia sambala no nyato so that should be our priority so after nga si nga karang nga lang fangola fana of is okumaya bata
mayata bake katu wo akumayata bake katu karango fango la kumaya wo kay mo buka fono yaba karango kumayata ni man karang ibuka long bani karante ka karango la kumaya long katu to be an illiterate is very very expensive
ni senso domande nte karanta nganna nursery school ke tanjele tanje CCF nganna primary school ke Dipalef grade 7 to 12 na junior ning senior school ngake Methodist Academy and throughout ngati chal min soto be keta mo ken dolle ye muta ko dingol mo jama most of them can commanding dingole
thank you
yemma koy baake kan advice amante pour nga na sindi en karandi nga si amante wodamma 3/4 of my life nga school order mutale koy dingol ikan advice not just my parents tol fana wala tena na teacher sol fana mbe tentula mbe jela ala baraka
tical ikala fi dini so bere wala tical nindi ngo so be yata they like you naturally so you also be ya min jete to wala tena they were always ready to help. So, but if you did not show that commitment, it ma ko la fa because to just all sinal siatale bari ba ibajira ko nying alafta ka karang nying alafta nyine la nying ay aim so to nying alafta karang wala baki so ni nga nyim ma ko nyim bitala so tiyaba wala nyama most of the time students sol mi yalon ko ilafta karang wala baki ka teti sol la friend okay it's natural the student ol mi yalon ko smart naturally I build friendship with them because kaje ko nying he knows why she is here, or he knows why he is here. So I have both male and female former students of mine that are still close to me because imu molleti mi yalla koy sobe yata ibe ga karango kan and then yela karango muta ila bulutan nim fulola so wo ba fola teacher solen ala baraka so adu fela ala teacher sol ala school ol be to fo jang mi yalla ko a jarta je kabri nursery to upper basic to primary to upper basic to high school altol be you all did go to Swadu, and that is what brought about this big achievement. So Allah baraka bake. Swadu, janim ba kumfala, ila wululal ye role soto, ila karangola kumayal, ila achievement. sañi melaf la ye demanding fo je yalon ko ila wululal ye ma koy ñaadile katum ite ilafta karon wala bari ila wululal fanan they play the role in your achievement so ye role min play ila achievement to yo mëna fa la je
nte wo nawululal mbe tentula mbe jayla kantum ibe dawada ibe la dingol feng ila dingol la ñatota ibe wole to ibe wole noma so nte mbamani fama keta mo min ya lon ko karango adiyate baake kantu ya nafalon imo fulo be mo engineer wala tane be dawada ba ka fam tol idingol le ko ala karang muta bulu tam fulo al karang kantu karango le bay le ba tinna la fayeta nyaato karango le be Gambia sambala nyaato so be dawada ibe ma koy kan na school fees ka jo on time yemi ngo min soto ika invest na karangol so wala atina mbe dawada mbe na wululal tentulam be jayel
wo kuma ya tabake wanna nga jema pour aya abama na fama ke tentu ay jay kadum so wadi yemi soto ten wulula kendo wala katina dingo yin soto ni wulula kende ya dron dingol ka kende yalla so investment olo mi yalon ko iba kele dingo to yalon ko sama sinin iba jela ay finti andina findita abe kele kontan ko wolti abe kele sati be kontan ko ay ki Gambia be kontan ko wala nata ke swadu la kes la Mr and Mrs Jammeh ya trainer ya guide ya coach ya silo itandala ya hanyindi karamala ya hanyindi kulla mi yalon ko abakan afati abama na fama dino anin karango ya londi wala naman ke wuti anin discipline naman ke wuti they are not in line with it so wala swadu ke swadu tebbi mi yalon ko mobe ba to fokan swadu mashallah pour ka kum fadaron swadu ibe yamar le sotola mi yalon ko ibe gasol yamar la minna mi yalon ko ibe jibe kan ani they got inspired by your performance so ibe mu yamar le sotola gasol school going girls
so lafta kamin fare wala o nga fanya min dorong nakarang nga muta mbulu tanin fulol karang wala be Gambia sambala no nyaato de andu motinala hani mota bola nam banta por kanan na Gambia da damol foka pare sama ifanam bekela wululal ilaftale pour idingol isa jibe itato safo ko mbama muninne to mbama ninne fana laftale ko mbama wante ko yeta modol jibe banta pour ka will use as an inspiration so nga karango muta dino fanan kana nyinala kantung mingo min nin dunia to yefe mo fen soto ala ima ala soto abuka ima hane fen soto so lafta ko al karango muta bulutanen fulola sunkuti ya bukatambi so right now the time momento karango is the most important thing so ngawo muta
mashallah ko ya swadu la yamaro mayle ako ali alla karango muta bulutanen fulola mi yalan ko wole kumayata wole balla al sambala nyato e banko samba nyato anin fanan kom nal tata fanal ke bayata alfana sekeno role model ti ase savno as role model to your kids sa busola karango kumayata wole nyam katu wo ni tata foni ke bayata ifana yela on dimon soto iba jelale ko mbama de karanala anala tanga karan so janite be example tala bantala ite example soto bonkon so wala tina musola karanga kumayata bake maboko ke wala karanga man kumma wo important tale fa bare fo wo be larin musola karanga kumaya me wala emphasize kandaro so that girls will mil kan jibe school going girls especially is a inspirational drive no from Swadu ako you had her from the horse's mouth ako sunkuti ya buka tambi ako ati tambila kuye sunkuti yake but for now mi alon ko ibe school going age ila karanga muta ila bulutanin fulola ibe mi nyini kan fay sa soto ibe mi nyini kan fase yomba karu ni wonte nin karawoti je excuse me nin karawoti je ko dol bi je kas ika abuka yomba comme ila fala nyami kana ko kolyal bari bit karango ko dol bi aka yombale aka very easily accessible so wala tin na karango kumayata so ka kum fa doron we are switching back to the English language. It's been a pleasure having you on our platform, Swadu Jammeh. It's been a big pride to sit with you, to have this lengthy discussion with you, to grant us the interview that we requested from you. And then we say a big thank you to your parents for allowing you. In fact, her mom drove her to the venue of the interview. That alone shows the support that her parents have for her, because it's not every parent that will be disinterested in the welfare of their kid. They would have given her fares and tell her go. But she took her time to drive her to the venue, and she's waiting, patiently waiting, keenly waiting to take her back home. That is it's in itself a learning point for me as a parent, to show commitment in the welfare of your children. Every parent should emulate her parents in showing maximum interest in the welfare of their children. We've come to the tail end of our program. This is on educational development. It's been a big pleasure, as I said, having Swadu Jame on the platform today, the overall best student of the WAS examination 2024. And we hope to see a lot of Swadu James in the Gambia. Let this be the beginning of so many straight A's, so many in the future. We will be so happy and glad to celebrate a lot more big achievements like they did. Before we conclude, Swadu, we would like to know if you have any words of gratitude, any people that you would like to thank before we say a final goodbye.
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty Allah, because without Him, nothing would have been possible. He has been with me throughout my journey. So I want to say Alhamdulillah. And also, I want to extend a heartfelt gratitude to my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jamme,
Yeah.
for always being there for me, for creating a nurturing environment for me to grow as a person, as a student. Thank you to them. And also to my teachers at Gambia Methodist Academy and Deeper Life. Thank you. And to everybody who has supported my academic journey. And also to Trust Bank, because since grade 7 they have been supporting me. They have been supporting me. They have given me incentives. Yes,
Trust Bank.
yes, since grade 7. Grade 7 they opened an account for me because I was the overall best. The same thing in grade 9 and now in grade 12. So thank you, Trust Bank, for being the nation's bank. I am grateful.
This is a big thing, and it's something that we need to commend them for, so that other organizations, other participants can emulate them. Like Trust Bank is not the only bank in the Gambia, but them coming up and then cheering you on right from grade 7 and supporting you financially is a big thing. And it's a big thing for us to commend them for. We say a big thank you on behalf of Swado's family and on behalf of the whole entire Gambia, because you are doing it for all of us. If we had our way, we would have all done our quota. If we had our way, we would have supported you too, to the maximum limit, to the highest of heights. And we wish you all the best in your endeavor. So that being said, I'll also do my own little quota of giving you my copies, the copies of my books. I would like you to read them at your leisure time, because you told me privately at your leisure time you do a lot of reading. I'm giving you the copies, two of my books, for you to read. I have upcoming ones too. When they come out, I'll give them to you free. That is my donation.
Thank you so much.
That
I
is my little
appreciate
way
it.
of supporting your education, because I like girls that are doing well.
Thank you.
So, and these are books that are girl inspirational stories. So they're all on girl. They tell me you only write about girls. Yeah, I don't mind writing about girls. I like to see girls propel. I like to see girls excel. I like to see women win. Yeah, we are all winners in this. When we win, our men will also win. When girls are empowered, we are partners in development. So our men will also have it easy. So when we come up with what we have and they come up with what we have, then we can push the nation forward.
Yes.
Inshallah. So we say a big thank you to our esteemed viewers in the Gambia and outside. Whosoever is a keen follower of Fine TV Gambia. People have been asking me, what happened to the program? You postponed it. Here is it now. And we say a big thank you to everybody for having the keen interest of hearing from Fine TV and following Fine TV we've seen the support. We appreciate the support. Till we come your way some other day. It's a goodbye from I and Swado. Bye
Bye.
bye.